kusoo dhawaada Maskaxda and Healing. Magacayga waa Nimco. Waxaan rabay inaan ka hadlo mental health and our mind healing, as well as had my own struggles with mental health, with anxiety and PTSD. But knowing that like treatments and therapy has really opened my eyes, and just realizing that a lot of times people don't know that therapy is not just for like last minute crisis. Like you should be like, okay, I want to go to therapy even if you're not at that crisis point. And especially mental health and culture not treated as important as physical health, because it's like, especially explaining to our culture or our elder people, explaining to them that mental health is as important as physical health, because qofka diabetes qabo, qofka cuduraha kala qabo, treatment way ogolaanayaan. But when it comes to mental health, there's a hesitant to seek treatment, right? So I wanted to talk about mental health awareness, especially within our culture. And I'm going to start doing meditation in Somali, inshallah. We'll see how that goes. Don't come at my Somali qaxooti. That's what I consider qaxootiga Somalian ku hadla. But yeah, maxaan jeclaan lahaa dad badan inay ka hadlaan as open and honest about their mental health, and just kind of open up the space for people, that so they know that they're not alone, and knowing that healing is a journey, right? So we always talk about that it's not something that's quickly going to result in whether it's therapy, medication. It has to be something that you can continue and work on it for a long term, and it's not something that's gonna fix it right away. So it's always a journey. So thank you for coming along for this journey, and waad mahadsantihiin. Bye.